People ask me all the time what actually keeps me up at night. It's not EMPs, it's not zombies, it's the grocery store down the street. The brutal truth? We're exactly 9 meals away from anarchy. Not next year, right now. You, me, your neighbors, just 9 meals. I call it the illusion of plenty. We live in this just-in-time society, and honestly, it's just a house of cards. Your local grocery store is holding maybe 3 days of inventory, and that's if. If the trucks stop rolling, those shelves are bare by Tuesday. The grid, the water plants, it's all this ancient web held together by duct tape and crossed fingers. It infuriates me how we've outsourced our very survival to a supply chain that just assumes tomorrow will always be perfect. And look, you wouldn't be watching this if you didn't already know tomorrow won't be perfect. You feel that knot in your stomach when you watch the news, right? That quiet voice telling you the math just isn't adding up anymore. In my opinion, the system is being pushed to the absolute breaking point. They've optimized every last penny out of the infrastructure until there is zero buffer left. When the snap finally happens, whether it's a grid failure, a cyber attack, or an economic freefall, the realization is going to hit the general public like a freight train, and it's going to be ugly. When the panic hits, it will be very fast. Forget about gold and silver in those first few days, because I always say you can't hit a silver coin or a silver 1 gram gold. People are going to be desperate for water. They'll be looking for antibiotics. They'll be looking for calories you had the common sense to put away in the early days. Survival in the environment isn't about having a $1 million Hollywood bunker. It is about quiet, calculated resilience. It's about building a network you actually trust, mastering skills that don't plug into a wall, and securing what you need without broadcasting it to a desperate world. The clock is ticking, and it drives me crazy seeing the vast majority of people fast asleep, trusting a system that frankly does not care about them. But you're awake, and being awake isn't enough anymore, though. You need to be ready, you need to be disciplined, and you need to stay invisible. So, check your water rotation tonight and audit your security tomorrow. Stay quiet, stay ready. If you want the actual unfiltered truth on how to survive what's coming, just hit subscribe, because the window to prepare, it's closing very fast.